Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the HPE P50312B21, a 64GB DDR5 SDRAM memory module designed to supercharge your server's performance. This isn't just any RAM. It's a powerhouse built for demanding workloads. This memory module boasts a capacity of 64GB, configured as a single stick. This is DDR5-4800, meaning it operates at a frequency of 4,800 MHz. This high speed translates to faster data transfer rates and reduced latency, crucial for applications that require quick access to large datasets. It adheres to the PC 5-38400 standard, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with supporting systems. The module is a dual-rank memory, which can improve performance by allowing the memory controller to access different ranks simultaneously. It features a CL42 latency, which, while not the absolute lowest available, is still respectable for a DDR5 module of this capacity and speed. Being a registered RDIMM, this memory module includes a register between the draw modules and the system's memory controller. This register helps to stabilize signals and allows for higher memory capacities and greater reliability, especially in servers with multiple memory modules installed. This is particularly important for enterprise environments where uptime and data integrity are paramount. The HPE P50312B21 is specifically designed for servers, meaning it's built to withstand the rigors of continuous operation and demanding workloads. It's ideal for applications such as virtualization, database management, high-performance computing, and other server-intensive tasks. Upgrading to this 64GB DDR5 module can significantly improve your server's overall performance. You'll likely see faster application loading times, improved multitasking capabilities, and smoother operation of resource-intensive applications. For businesses that rely on their servers for critical operations, this can translate to increased productivity and reduced downtime. While the price point might be higher compared to lower capacity or slower memory modules, the investment can be justified by the performance gains and increased reliability, especially for businesses that require top-tier server performance. In conclusion, the HPE P50312B21 64GB DDR5 SDRAM memory module is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their server's memory. Its high capacity, fast speed, and register design make it well suited for demanding enterprise environments. If you're looking to boost your server's performance and ensure stability, this module is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.